children. I hope class 8's children are watching this video, and I hope you must be keeping well. Last day, whatever things we had discussed under your chapter exponents, I hope you must have revised, and it was told to complete exercise 2B. If you remember, already we had solved our solved examples. One video already was made for that, and it was told to complete that chapter. I hope many of you might have completed, and I think many of you might be having some problems also. Keeping that in mind, I thought that one video is required for this exercise 2B. So, few questions I have selected, and as a sample I am going to tell you those questions, and rest of the questions those who have not done, please complete that, and even those who have done or those who have completed this chapter, please again before watching you keep ready your book, copy and everything. If any mistakes you have done, just to do correction, and as I am telling you now to do, accordingly you need to solve your questions. So, let us start. Here you have exercise 2B, and first question you have: write each of the following numbers in standard form. So, already I do not think many discussion is required how to write in standard form, already you know. Just you see how we will solve this question. Suppose first question you have 57.36. Now, in standard form what we do? We write numbers in this way, m into 10 to the power n. In this form we write in standard form. If any number has been given, it should be written in this form, where m is in between 1 to 9. M might be 1 or 1 to or equal to 1 or lesser than 1, not lesser than 1, but m should be in between 1 to 9, lesser than 10 into 10 to the power n. In this form we need to convert. Here you see you have number, the given number you have is equal to 57.36. Now, this is required to be written in this form, m into 10 to the power n, and there m should be, m is equal to 1 or must be greater than 1, but lesser than 9 or lesser than 10. It should be m is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this form we need to write, but here you see you have 57. So, what we need to do, this decimal is required to be brought over here, so that you will get 5.736. In this form you need to bring. So, for that what is required? Here you see, when it will come, this decimal will come left side. When you are dividing that, if one digit you need to bring decimal, you need to divide by 10. If two digits leftward you are coming, you need to divide by 100. If three digits you need to come left side, you need to divide by 1000. And in the same way, if you are moving rightward, if this decimal is required to be brought over here, then what is required to be done? This is required to be multiplied by 10. 1 digit by 10, 2 digit by 100, 3 digit by 1000 and so on. So, leftward we need to move here. So, what we need to do? We need to divide this number by 10, so that this decimal will be brought over here. So, this 10 we have written ourselves. So, this is required to be multiplied also. Now, with this 0, this decimal will be brought over here. So, this will become 5.736 and into 10 to the power 1. If nothing is there, it means 10 to the power 1, and this will be your answer. This is in standard form we have converted. We had number 57.36 has been converted into 5.736 into 10 to the power 1. So, in the same way, this number you see 273,000 you have. What you need to do here, just after 2 you need to put decimal, just after 2 you need to put decimal. So, here now if nothing is there, it means what you have? 273,000 If nothing is there, it means after this digit you have decimal and then 0 you have. So, this decimal is required to be brought how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So, again this number is required to be divided by 1 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let us see how we will do. Here you see, here only we can solve. Your number was 273,000. 273,000. So, it can be written as 273,000 decimal 0. This is whole number. So, now you need to bring this decimal to this place. Means how many digits you need to come leftward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we need to divide this number by 1 with 5 zeros like this. Now, you did yourself this thing. So, this is required to be multiplied also. So, this will become 2.73. These zeros have no values now. If you want, you can write, otherwise it is not required. It can be written into 10 to the power 5, or simply it can be written 2.73 into 10 to the power 5. This will be your answer. I hope you understood. Here next question you see, you have question number 4 we have taken. 345 into 10 to the power 5 you have. Again you need, this number can be written as 345 decimal 0, means 345.0 into 10 to the power 5. Now, here what you need to do, this decimal is required to be brought 2 places leftward. So, what we will do, again the same method will be applied. 345 divided by 100, 2 digits you have, 2 digits leftward you are coming. So, by 100 it is required to be divided into 10 to the power already 5 already you have. This number you have divided yourself. So, this is required to be multiplied also. Now, this number became 3.45 into the formula, you know, exponent formula, 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2. It means a to the power m into a to the power n will be a to the power m plus n. So, this will be 5 plus 2, and finally, you will get 3.45 into 10 to the power 7, and this will be your answer. I hope you understood what is needed to be done. This number you had, suppose you have decimal over here, this is whole number, and after that decimal you have and 0 you have. 2 place leftward you have to bring your decimal number. So, this is required to be divided by 100. This 100 you have written yourself. So, this is required to be multiplied also. 10 to the power 2 I have written. This 10 to the power 5 already you have. Now, this you have converted into decimal and you got 3.45 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2 has been written as 10 to the power 5 plus 2, and finally, you got 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. I hope you understood. Next you see, write each of the following in usual form. This is already has been written in standard form. Just now in just opposite we have to write. This is required to be written in usual form. Then what we need to do? Here you see 3.74 into 10 to the power 5 you have. This decimal you remove. If decimal is removed, then for decimal what we will do? For decimal you put 1, and after decimal how many digits you have? 1, 2. So, this is required to be put over here 2 zeros. After decimal, if one digit will be there, 1 0 will be there, two digits will be there, 2 zeros, 3 digits, 3 zeros, 4 digits, 4 zeros, and so on. It is required to be done into 10 to the power 5. Now, this 374 into 10 to the power 5, and this number can be written as 10 to the power 2, and finally 374 into 10 to the power 5 minus 10 to the power 2. So, this 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 2 means 10 to the power 5 minus 2. Formula you know, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So, here you had a to the power m divided by a to the power n, and that will become a to the power m minus n. So, you got 374 into 10 to the power 3. It means 374 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000, and this you multiply, you will get 374 and 000. This will be your answer. So, in this way other questions are there that is required to be solved. Next you see, the speed of light is 3 and how many times zeros you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meter per second. Express 8 in standard form. What we will do again? The given number is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The given number is this. It means it can be written as 0.0. Now, the same formula will be required to be applied. What we need to do, just after one digit you need to put decimal. So, this decimal is required to be brought over here. So, what we do? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places you are coming leftward. So, this is required to be divided by 10 to the power 8. This thing you have done yourself. So, this is required to be multiplied also. Now, you see, with this we will convert this into decimal form. So, that we will get 3.00008 times, and that is not required, because after decimal if you are putting many zeros, that is of no use. 3.0 or simply 3 can be written into 10 to the power 8, or finally either in this way you write or 3 into 10 to the power 8 you write, and this will be your answer. The speed of light, and this is required to be remembered also. You must be, I think you must know, the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Meter per second. This you need to remember also, and you understood how it has been converted. Next question we will see. Mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. What is the total mass? Simply what you need to do, two masses have been given, you need to add this, but here you need to understand how it to be added, because numbers are very large. So, that is required to be understood. Here you see, the mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24, and the mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Now, here you see what you need to do, how these numbers can be added. If similar powers will be there, then only you can add, otherwise you cannot. So, first and foremost work will be to convert this in like powers. So, suppose first number has been given, here you have 10 to the power 24, here you have 10 to the power 22. So, either you convert this into 22 or you convert this into 24, either way you can do. So, you convert this number into, either you convert this into 24 or this into this you convert into 22 or this you convert into 24, in either way you can solve this problem. So, here you see, suppose we are converting this 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. So, what we will get? We have 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. This can be written as, suppose you need to make this 24, it means suppose if any number you have 10 to the power 22 and you need to make this 24, it means you need to multiply this with 10 to the power 2, then only 22 plus 2 will become 24. So, this multiplication you are doing yourself. So, 10 to the power 2 is required to be divided also. So, here you see what we will do, 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 into 10 to the power 2, so that it will become 24 and is needed to be divided by 10 to the power 2 as well. Now, this 10 to the power 2 means 100, 100 means if you are changing this, what you will get? This, if suppose a simple number you have 7.35 divided by 100 and then you convert into decimal, what you will do? This decimal will come leftward 2 digits, left side. So, this will become 0.0735. Now, you see 2 places it came, here we put 0 and here decimal and then 0 it came. So, in this way this is required to be converted. So, this will become 0.0735 into 10 to the power 24. Now, this is exponent has become equal, you can see 0.0735 into 10 to the power 24 and 5.97 into 10 to the power 24. What we need to do now? We can add this. How we will add this? You see, you had 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 plus the other number you have 0.0735 into 10 to the power 24. Zero point 0735 into 10 to the power 24. Now, you see in this term and this term, what is common? You have common 10 to the power 24. So, you separate out that 10 to the power 24. We have separated out, and now what is left? 5.97 plus 0.0735. Now, add this number. Here you see how we will add 5.97 and you need to add 0.0735. So, here you can put zeros, this will become 35, 14, 0 and this will become 6.0435. So, here you see this can be written as 6.0435 into 10 to the power 24. So, this will be your answer, this will be kg, this will be your answer. Here you see, if in either way you are converting, either this you could have made 22 and then you could have added, but lastly in book what answer has been given to 10 to the power 22, I think that is not very appropriate, that is not very correct. What I have made now, like this way you solve, so that in standard form you will get answer. In book what answer has been given, that is not in standard form, this is required to be written in this way and this is the better answer. So, in this way you try to solve. If you have solved also, do correction yourself by saying this. Okay, next question we have, write each of the following numbers in standard form. Again, here you see, you need to write into standard form. So, this is required to be written in this form, m into 10 to the power n, and m should be in between 1 to 9. Here you have 0. So, what you need to do, here you see this decimal is required to be brought over here. So, given number you have 0.0006, this decimal is required to be brought over here. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 places you are going rightward. So, it is required to be multiplied by 10 to the power 4, and since you are multiplying, this is required to be divided also. As we had done before, when we were coming leftward, we were dividing the number with power of 10. Now, you are going rightward. So, what is required to be done? This is required to be multiplied. Now, this became, if you are multiplying this, you will get 6 only. Here you see 0.0006 you have, and with this you are multiplying this one. So, finally, you will get 6.0000. So, this will be 6. So, this you got 6 divided by 10 to the power 4, or it can be written as 6 into, this is 1 by, this is what, 1 by 10 to the power 4, and if you remember, 1 by 10 to the power 4 can be written as 10 to the power minus 4. So, this can be written as 10 to the power minus 4, and this will be your answer. I hope you understood. If leftward we are bringing decimal, it is needed to be divided. If rightward we are moving, that is needed to be multiplied, that you have to keep in mind. Next question you see, 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1 with 6 zeros meter, express it in standard form. So, easy it is. Here you see 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This can be written as 1 by 10 to the power 6, or this is 1 by 10 to the power 6 means what? 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, already you have learned, and this will be your answer. Next you see, this one, write each of the following numbers in usual form. So, in usual form already you have seen one question, this question also you see how we will convert this. 2.06 can be written as 206 divided by, decimal you change into fraction. So, after decimal you have 2 digits. So, for decimal you put 1, and after decimal you have 2 digits. So, you need to put 2 zeros. This 10 to the power minus 5 what you have, that can be brought down and can be written 10 to the power 5. And now, this became 206 divided by 20 and again 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, altogether 7 zeros you got. Now, this is needed to be converted into decimal. So, what you will do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit you have to come leftward. So, you have 206, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, then you put decimal. So, this can be written as 0.0000206 and this will be your answer in usual form. So, I hope all the questions, especially those you might be feeling is bit difficult, that has been solved, and I do not think any question will be left that you will not be able to solve. Just those who have not completed, complete this chapter, and next day we will start next topic. Thank you.